If you've been struggling with uploading your CSV file, I'm here to help make it easier. I'll guide you through each step to ensure your contacts are uploaded smoothly. First, before anything else, make sure that at least one WhatsApp account is logged in on the portal. This is a crucial first step to ensure everything works seamlessly. Now let's get started. First, click on the plus sign to create a new contact group. Give your group a name and hit Submit. Next, click on the phone list icon and select Import. Here, you can import contacts in two ways, by uploading a CSV file or by pasting numbers directly. If you're pasting numbers, remember to include the country code with each one. But for this video, we'll focus on the CSV option. To make sure your CSV file is set up correctly, start by downloading the example template provided above the Upload CSV option. Open the template and add your phone numbers in the first column, including the country code. For example, 91 for India. Now, a common issue people face is that when you enter numbers in the sheet, they may show up with letters and decimals, which can cause errors. To fix this, click on the top of column A to select it, go to Cell Formatting and select Number, and remove the decimals. Another issue arises when you have a long list of numbers without any country codes. Here's a quick way to add them. So the steps I'm going to tell now are only for those who have a contact list without a country code. If you already have the list with the country code, you can ignore the steps. 1. Paste all your numbers into column A. 2. Insert a new column next to it by clicking Insert Column. 3. In cell B2, type this formula equals country code and A2. For example, in India, we will write it as equals 91 and A2. 4. Click on cell B2 and then double-click on the plus icon at the lower right corner of the cell. This will apply the formula to all rows in the column. 5. Click on the top of column B and copy. Next, click on the top of column A, go to the Paste option and then click on Paste Values and Number Formatting to replace the original numbers. 6. Click on the top of column B and delete column B. If you need to send messages with variables, like name, marks, etc., you can fill in these details starting from column B onwards. Each title should be placed in row 1 of each column. Once your data is set, save the file, then head back to the portal. Now, click on Upload CSV, select the file you just saved, and submit. The system will now start checking and filtering the numbers, and that's it. If you follow these steps, your contacts should upload without any issues. Moreover, you don't need to wait for the number checking to finish. You may go ahead and create the campaign, and it will automatically start working.